Welcome to VBM Mathematics classes. Today I am going to discuss a very interesting number, very inspiring number, Fibonacci number. Now every time in the mathematics we are doing calculations and applications that are boring the mathematics. Now today I am going to discuss a very interesting number, that is a Fibonacci number. 0, next number is 1. Okay. Now this next number is 1. 1 plus 1 gives the next number. And 1 plus 2 gives the next number, and these two sum gives the next number. 3 plus 5 becomes 8, 8 plus 5 becomes 13, it goes like this. This Fibonacci number is discovered in the 1280 AD by the Fibonacci, Italian scientist, but there is a connection between this Fibonacci number to Hindu. Before that, 1125 or 1150 AD, Hemachandra taught this Fibonacci number to his students by a poem, and even before that Hemachandra, in the 200 BC, the Pingala written the text. This Fibonacci number is named as Matra Meru for this Fibonacci number. That's why there is a connection between this Fibonacci number to Hindu. Originally the number is also called God number. 1 plus 1 it gives the next number, 1 plus 2 it gives the next number, 2 plus 3 it gives the 5, 5 plus 3 it gives 8, now 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 8 is a 21. Now this called Fibonacci number. Now what is the relation between this Fibonacci number to the nature? Now if you see that in the moment, first at the beginning there is a nothing. In the 1 unit of time, maybe 1 minute, maybe 1 hour, maybe 1 day, in 1 unit of time, it is a 1 cell is produced. Now this 1 minute I am calling it is 1 minute, and in the next second minute, this is a 1 minute old. Write this line for that. In the third minute, this becomes the matured cell, produce another cell. In the fourth minute, this matured cell produce another cell, and newborn cell becomes a 1 minute old. In the fifth minute, the matured cell produce another cell, and this newborn cell becomes a 1 minute old, and this is a 1 minute old cell becomes a matured, and it produces another cell. Now if you see here, it is a 1, next it is a 1, before that it is 0, and this is a 1 plus 1 is a 2, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 3 cells are there, and this is a 5 it goes on like this. Okay, now 5 plus 3, next number will be the 8. There is a relation between this Fibonacci number to the nature. Even if you see the plant, now even if you see the plant, there is a plant is there. Now in the 1 unit of time, this root becomes like this. In the second minute, it becomes strong. In the third minute, this is a root becomes a 2. And this is a next, this matured root becomes a 2 in the next minute, becomes a strong in that next minute. Therefore 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is a 3. Therefore the roots of the plant also follows the Fibonacci number. Even this stem also follows the Fibonacci number. The leaves also follows the Fibonacci number. The flowers also follows the Fibonacci number. Even cones of pineapple also follows the Fibonacci number. The breeding of rabbits also follows the Fibonacci number. That's why there is a connection between this Fibonacci number to the nature. That's why this number is called God number. Now let us see the sum of the Fibonacci series and the nth term of the Fibonacci series. And even what about the sum of the squares of the Fibonacci series? Then what is the geometrical application of the sum of the squares of the Fibonacci series? Now this is a Fibonacci series. 0 plus 1 right? 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1 is a 2, 2 plus 1 is a 3, 3 plus 2 is, this is a Fibonacci series. This is a F1. Before 0, that is considered F0. F1 plus F2 plus F3, go on like this, F4, F5, go on like this, F6, and it goes like this. This is the nth term, Fn. Fn is equal to F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus F4 Fn. Now, if you see that this Fn is sum of the two terms before this, what are those? Fn is equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. Using the recurrence relation, that Fn comes like this. Fn is 1 by root 5, 1 plus root 5 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1 by root 5, 1 minus root 5 by 2 whole to the power of n. This formula comes from the recurrence relation. For this Fibonacci series, the characteristic equation is r square is equal to r plus 1. Then by this we get the roots. One is 1 plus root 5 by 2 and the other is 1 minus root 5 by 2. And by using this characteristic equation, its roots by recurrence relation. That in the recurrence relation, Fn is written C1 R1 power n, C2 R2 power n. N is equal to 0, put n is equal to 1, then we will get the C1, C2. This is the nth term of the Fibonacci series. Now, by using Fn, this is the Fn is equal to what we got? 1 by root 5, 1 plus root 5 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1 by root 5, 1 minus root 5 by 2 whole to the power of n. Suppose I want F2. F2 is 1. Put n is equal to 2. Then F2 will be 1 by root 5, 1 plus root 5 by 2 whole to the power of n is equal to 2 minus 1 by root 5, 1 minus root 5 by 2 whole to the power of 2. Now simplify, the answer will be the 1. Therefore, by using this Fn, we can find any term of the Fibonacci series. Now, next one, sum of n terms is this one. Now, this is already we know, suppose if you take the Fn, Fn is sum of the before these two terms n minus 1, Fn minus 2. Therefore, Fn is Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. And this implies it becomes Fn minus Fn minus 1 is equal to Fn minus 2. Put n is equal to 3, that is F3 minus F2 is equal to F1. Put n is equal to 4, F4 minus F3 is equal to F2. Go on like this, this is F5 minus F4 is equal to F3. Go on like this, put n is equal to n plus 2, Fn plus 2 minus Fn plus 1 is equal to Fn. Now if I write the sum of this, now here these terms will be cancelled. These terms will be cancelled. Therefore, Fn plus 2 minus F2 is equal to F1 plus F2 plus go on like this Fn. Therefore, this is sum of the n terms in the Fibonacci series. Therefore, this is Sn. This is Fn plus 2 minus what is F2? F1 is 1, F2 is 1. Therefore, that is F2 1. Because I want sum of the four terms F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus F4. That is a 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is a 7 we got. S4 is what? S4 is put n is equal to 4 here. That is a F6 minus 1. What is a F6? There is a F4, F5, F4, F5, F6. 6 is the 8 minus 1, that gives the 7. Therefore, sum of the first four terms in the Fibonacci series, we got the 7. Okay, now therefore, this is a sum of the n terms in the Fibonacci series. Now we know nth term of the Fibonacci series, and next we know the sum of the n terms of the Fibonacci series. Please watch the video till the end. Now we'll write this one into geometrically. Now let us see the sum of the squares of this one. Now this is a f1 square plus f2 square plus f3 square, go on like this. Fn square will be fn into fn plus 1. Will be fn into fn plus 1. Now let us see is that correct or not. Right? This term into n plus 1th term. Now if you see that 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Now this will be what? This is a f1, f2, f3, f4. Therefore this is a, put n is equal to 4, f4 into f5. What is f4 is a 3 into f5 is a 5, that is a 15. Now see that this is a 9 plus 4, 13 plus 2, 15. Now same way 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square 5 into 8, that is a 40 we got. Now there is a 25 plus this is a what? 15 plus 25, 40 we got. Again 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 8 square, that is 64, that is a 104. Let us represent by geometrically. Now square of the side 1 unit, this is a 1 square is there, and the next one is f2 is also 1, that is a square of the side 1 unit, and the next 2 units we want. Therefore this is a square of the 2 units, and the next square of the 3 units. Here I am writing square of the 3 units. Next is square of the 5 units. Next one is square of the 5 units. It is a square of the 5 units. And the next is square of the 8 units. This is a 3 units there, 5, 8. This is a square of the 8 units. Area 1 square, this area 1 square, this area 2 square, this area 3 square, this area 5 square, next to this area 8 square. Then what will be the total answer? That is a 104. That is a 8 into 13. Now total area will be equal to 104. Now what is the total area? That is a 13 into 8. Therefore this into 13. Therefore the total area 8 into 13, which is equal to 104 only. That's why this sum of the squares we can write geometrically like this. One fn plus 1 by fn. From here if you write, this is a f6, f7, f8, f9, f10 like this. Now if you write 13 by 8, that is a 1.615. Next one if I write 21 by 13, that is also 1.615. If you write 34 by 21, that is also 1.615. Okay. Now if is a next one is what? And also that is a 55 by 34, 0.615. Ratio is called golden ratio. Now next let us see the sum of the cubes. f1 cube, f2 cube and f3 cube, go on like this. Fn cube plus 1 square into fn plus minus 1 power n, fn minus 1, 1 power n plus 1, fn minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Now this is a sum of the cubes of the Fibonacci series. 1 cube, 2 cube and 3 cube is equal to 4. Now if you write n is equal to 4 in this, that is a f5 square, f4 minus 1 power 4 plus 1, f3 plus 1 by 2. 5 square, f4 is a 3 minus 1 power 5, that is a minus, f3 is what? 2 and 1 by 2. 24 by 2, that is a 37. Can we get the 37? Let us see. This is a 1 cube, 2 cube, 27. Now see that there is a 10 plus 27, 37 we got. Therefore, sum of the cubes of the Fibonacci series, we can use this formula. This Fibonacci series is completed. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this my video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.